Talking about the introduction to cryptocurrency exchanges, the previous discussions may have done the justice in explaining what these exchanges are. However, an investor who is starting to look into investing their portfolio, it is very important for them to be aware of the best cryptocurrency exchange that they can work with. For this, we shall be looking into the best exchanges that one can find in the market and help you find the cryptocurrency that would suit you the best. Binance. The first cryptocurrency exchange that would come under the highlights is Binance, a 2017 launch which soon turned out to become the best known exchange in the market. There are a lot of disadvantages that you can look into while using Binance, considering the extensive features offered to the users throughout the platform. There are very low trading fees charged over every transaction, which constitutes only 0.1% of the trade. It even provides users with the options of staking their coin, which would help the investors earn profits out of it, which shall range from 0.5% to 10%. Binance has been facing some issues in its objective of global recognition. This has somehow affected Binance's stand and has influenced into making a dedicated exchange for the United States. For instance, Binance allows users to trade across a very extensive list of cryptocurrencies under low fees. With a very convenient user interface to work with, Binance offers a lot more than simple spot trading. Users can work with margin trading, futures, and several other reward-centric features. One highlighting factors in Binance's futures trading system is its multiplier range. Where other exchanges limit their multipliers to 100 times at maximum, Binance provides users with a maximum value of 125 times multiplier, which is quite intriguing for users who work with futures trading. With impressive security measures, Binance even provides its users with asset funds as insurances over incessant thefts across the exchange. A foolproof system is one of the major preferences in crypto investments. Thus, you should always look into such platforms. Coinbase. Coinbase is known to be among the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges existing in the cryptoverse. Launched in 2012, Coinbase records one of the greatest user bases in the world, with a record of more than 30 million users worldwide. A crypto exchange that is known for beginners, Coinbase surely can be a great choice in starting your journey in cryptocurrency. Rather than getting confused over the charts and graphs about every other investment that you are considering, Coinbase offers a very effective interface to its users. As compared to other exchanges, Coinbase is still quite expensive to work with. However, with its simpler user interface, you can see all your coins across a single place, which is more encouraged. Coinbase offers its users with an FDIC insurance, which is equivalent to a fair compensation of investments if the company ceases to exist. With such a concept, almost 98% of your funds can be put aside for insurance, making only 2% of your investments vulnerable. Being a beginner, you should definitely look into investing your assets through Coinbase. Kraken. Although most people would tell you to start investing through the aforementioned exchanges, however, the market is not restricted within these exchanges. There are a lot of options you can come across, where you can be more flexible in managing your assets and operations. Kraken is another impressive crypto exchange that you can consider investing from. This exchange has been around the corner for almost a decade, which makes it quite credible to invest. With plenty of options to invest in, Kraken is a complete package in cryptocurrency exchanges. Kraken offers 3 packages to its users for starting across the exchange. Being a starter in cryptocurrency, it is advised to go for the starter package. Charging a small percentage of 0.9% to 1.5% as trading fees, Kraken is known as one of the cheapest crypto exchanges in the market. One of the most renowned features of Kraken is its customer service, which has really made it a phenomenal choice in the market. A whole world of crypto exchanges beyond Binance and Coinbase. eToro. Another unique option in cryptocurrency exchanges that you can surely look into is eToro, a platform that provides both crypto and Forex as trading options. eToro has started its journey with Forex trading, where it proved to be quite effective. However, the platform observed the potential of cryptocurrency, which made it shift its approach to other options. Thus, eToro is not only known as a Forex trading program, but it also features the best cryptocurrencies to trade across the platform. eToro does not keep any commission over cryptocurrencies, and it is quite simple in terms of the features it offers. Though there are not a very extensive set of crypto projects that are available across eToro, the projects that eToro supports are the leaders in the crypto market. One major downside of eToro that would prove to be ineffective in the longer run is its high trading fees, which is generally not preferred among most crypto traders. However, if you're into investing only in big coins and want to stay on a reputable platform, eToro can be a good option to trade through. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is surely an underdog in cryptocurrency exchanges. If you are a user who prefers working on mobile, Crypto.com is the best option to work with, as it has been made mobile-friendly. We have seen this platform rise to provide some of the best features that surpassed most platforms in the ecosystem. Crypto.com, based in Hong Kong, features a very detailed list of crypto projects to invest in. Found in 2016, Crypto.com has tried to induce a lot of impressive features in itself, while charging a very low trading fee of 0.04% to 0.2%. This makes it extremely popular in the market. Crypto.com, similar to Binance, features its own program for staking their assets for earning rewards. These rewards can rise up to 12% return in investments. While providing these impressive features, being a beginner, a good customer support should always attract you into trying out the platform. Crypto.com is known to offer a 24/7 connected customer service that is always available to resolve the issues of their customers. There are several accusations raised over the customer service of Crypto.com. However, the platform has still kept its name and has tried to make a good user base in the crypto space. There are a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges that you can come across. However, it is very important to be in control regarding the tools that you select for trading. Thus, good research over the exchanges is very important. Being a crypto enthusiast, you should look for such an exchange that returns you the most profits out of the system. Without clear research, it is not possible for traders to make the best use out of the exchange.